Hello, my name is Richard. I go by UltraByRich, and this is UltraByRich Meta Ads. In this session, we're going to be going over how to retarget your social media audience. And we'll be hooking up a lead funnel and basically new sales pipeline directed at people that follow you on Facebook or Instagram. And so this campaign can be very successful for you. We recommend starting at a $500 monthly campaign limit and kind of fill it out from there. If it's going really well for you, you can increase your spend and increase your lead count. So this is another component we use throughout several of our digital strategies. And a great way to, again, you're targeting specific people that are already interacting with your brand, product, or service online. And so you have a idea that they're somewhat interested. So anyways, let's jump right in. Go over here and hit create on the green button. And like I said, we're going to be generating leads through this, even though it's a retargeting campaign. We're going to expand name your campaign. It's an optional option. We are optional kind of people. And then we're going to do year, month, and date. And like we said, this is UltraByRich, so the client name is me. And we're going to be doing leads and retargeting social. So a little bit more explanatory information when you're glancing this campaign at the dashboard. You can quickly know what this campaign is doing. We're going to go ahead and bring that exact name down to the ad set and the ad. Go ahead and copy and paste it to each of these fields. And let's recap. We've got a buying type auction. We've got leads. We've got a campaign name, ad set, and ads. And we're going to hit continue. This is where it's going to ask you if you want to do a manual or use their automated option. Of course, we're going to do manual because we need to specify a few more options. So real quick, as you may know, I do this professionally. I've done it for over 18 years now. I offer consulting services for your business, and I've worked with my agency, SodaSwin Marketing Agency. So no matter what you're looking for, if you're looking to create a Facebook advertising campaign or a full digital strategy, we're a great place to start. Offer free one-on-one consultations. All you got to do is fill out the link in the bio. So if you're interested in that, take a look. Other than that, let's get back to the clip. Great. Here you are on the campaign edit page. And again, we have a whole video dedicated to learning more about special ad categories. We do not fall into a special ad category, so we're going to skip that. If you'd like to learn more about that, be sure to check the link in the bio. And then we're going to leave the auction type. As you just saw, we already selected this, auctions, leads, and we are not setting a campaign limit. We do not have an A/B test. We do not have an A/B test, so we're going to skip that. And then we do not have an A/B test, so we're going to skip that. And in this case, we're not going to be taking advantage of the Advantage campaign budget. So we're ready for next. Okay, great. So now we're going to be using the website. And as you can see, we are still under the UltraByRich leads targeting social. This is the ad set. So ad set is specifying website, and we're doing maximum number of conversions. We're doing the pixel, and we're doing the conversion event. So we have separate videos on two of these. You're going to want to learn more about a pixel and how to install it. We've got a whole video on that. Check the link in the bio. And then we also have a whole link and video about how to create conversion events. So be sure to check that as well. Cost per result goal, we do not use that in this example. We generally don't recommend it, so we leave it empty, blank. And then defaults for the options hidden underneath this hide or show. And then in this example, we're not using dynamic creative. We're going to set a daily budget of $15. We're going to set the campaign to start tomorrow at midnight. We recommend that. Okay, so we have a daily budget of $15. As you can see, that'll be a maximum of no more than 105 per week, which will put us right under our $420 or so per month. Great, we're under budget. And then we have a start date for tomorrow at midnight. And then no end, and we are running the ads all the time, ad scheduling. Okay, for audience control, you'll notice there's two audience section. One says audience control, the other says advantage audience. Go ahead and click this little blue link here that says switch to original audience options. And then scroll back down a little bit. And then you'll notice you're prompted now with the custom options. We're gonna enter in UltraByRich, and we're gonna be doing a custom audience, and we're gonna be targeting everybody on Facebook and everybody on Instagram. And we're going to be unchecking the custom audience advantage box here. We're going to be specifying the locale again, Draper, Utah, 25 miles. We're going to be specifying the age range. We have a whole video on age range and explaining more about that. Be sure to check the link in the bio. And then we're going to leave gender and detail targeting open. And then we're going to leave languages to English, US. And that is the audience. We have a whole video about the language as well and why that's important. Okay. So again, all genders, we're going to leave to all. Detail targeting, we're going to leave blank. And language, we're going to specify English US. And then as far as placement, we're going to change that placement to manual placement. And we're going to uncheck apps, search results, and in-stream. We're going to leave stories, reels, and feeds. Great. Now you're ready for the next page, which is going to be the ad itself. Make sure that it's using the right property and the right Instagram. So the right Facebook page and the right Instagram page. And then in this case, we're going to create an ad or use a post. We're going to use create an ad, and we're going to do manually upload. We're going to do single image or video. We are going to enable multi-advertiser ads. And then we're going to specify a video that we've already created. And we're going to upload that, hit submit and next. And then we're going to add our ad. Looks like I've lost my ad, but we're going to add our ad. It's all right. That works. And then we're going to add a short headline. Should be 2 or 3 words. Meet with me. And then the description, same thing. And then the website's going to be your landing page where your form is at. So we're going to paste that in. Your display link is going to be just your domain name, nothing else with it, no www and no slashes. And then we're going to use the instant form that we've already created as a default backup. And then languages will be off and tracking default should be on. And then from here you can submit And now your campaign targeting Instagram and Facebook followers over the last 365 days. You'll spend $15 a day. And over the next 30 days, you can start seeing your cost per lead go up or down. And based on that information, I'd say over the next 2 weeks, you'll be able to make some more educated decisions of what to do with the campaign next. But this is a great sales funnel. It's a low spend. And again, if you're adding 2 or 3 of these campaign funnels together, you're still only spending $1,500, $2,000 a month. And generally speaking, you should be able to generate, 5 to 10x off of that. So if you're not spending $2,000 and generating $10,000 on it, then, you got to fine tune your recipe. Anyways, thanks for watching. And please subscribe.